My name is Nathan James Dearden and I'm a composer of the new piece, The Day Following, which has been written for the Uproar Ensemble for this amazing tour around Wales featuring Son of Chamber Symphony. The Day Following is quite a personal piece. It talks about communities, but those that are also lost specifically in Wales. So I'm looking at our memory and how we remember those lost communities and those communities around Wales. I take as a starting point the tragedy that happened in Capel Celyn in 1965 and the flooding of Capel Celyn. And what I've done is delved back in the archives working with the National Library of Wales in Aberystwyth on archival footage of the weeks following up to that moment where that community was lost. So this piece is a combination of music, old hymns, old folk song, and also these memories of those weeks following up to the loss of Capel Celyn.